Good morning, we're at Dollar Tree. We're gonna do another checklist video, so let's go in, see what I can find. I still have list number 2 from the last video, and then I have my new list. So on number 2, let's see. There's things that are like Valentine's Day that I'm obviously not gonna find. I mean, I could, but okay. So color buttons, which have been hard to find lately. Still need to find jumbo cards, some tickets, and I think that's it from that list that I need. And then checklist number 3, which is my new one. The file tabs, which I already have, so I'm gonna check that off. Rubber ducky card. I also want to find a strawberry shortcake coloring book, so I forgot to write that on here. Let's just see if I can't check some items off my list. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? They have Hello Kitty, which is so cute, so I'm gonna get that. All right, looking for the rubber ducky card. I think it might have been this one. So I wrote that list a while back, so that one. And this one is really cute. Like, how cute is that? I also really like this one. Oh my gosh, look at that one. So adorable. Oh, that one is so cute too. Let's get this one, because I can always cut like these little images. Okay. Let's see if I can't find any strawberry shortcake. I feel like I've seen it before, but I'm not entirely sure. We've got Trolls, Mickey Mouse. We have My Little Pony. I feel like they've had strawberry shortcake before. Like, can anybody comment and tell me if you've seen strawberry shortcake, or am I just... I've got Care Bears. Yeah, I don't see it. Oh, look at this. So cute. All right, found the color buttons. Oh my gosh. All right, so only found a couple of things. I mean, obviously I have a lot in here, but not from the checklist. All right, so just to recap, I found the color buttons, which was on checklist number 2. So that was number 12. So I'm gonna go ahead and cross that off. And I still want to find the jumbo cards, and I still want to find the tickets. Those 2 items have been around Dollar Tree for years and years, but they're hard to find. They don't keep them fully in stock all the time. I do want to find the strawberry sticky notes, And I still do want to find the baby shower rocking horse and teddy bears. Those were not there, so I didn't find them. I don't actually need the yellow ribbon, but you know what? We'll get some yellow ribbon. We'll keep that on there. So I'm going to go to another Dollar Tree on this checklist number 3. So the new checklist, I'm going to go ahead and strike out file tabs. I'm probably not going to find them. I mean, I still look anyways, but if you watch my videos, you know my mom sent them to me. So this St. Patty's Day clover thing, I don't know if I'm going to find those, and I want some more popcorn bags. So let's go ahead and go to the second Dollar Tree. Oh my God, my car won't start. And I just changed the battery on it. And the worst freaking part is that I have Micah's car keys with me. Why isn't my car starting? What?
As far as cocking it out. But they all seem like the one cocking it out. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's accurate.
You guys. Okay, let's go to the next Dollar Tree and I'll do a quick story time. So this is my older car, and you'll see in an upcoming vlog that I had to put a new battery in it. It's just been sitting in the garage. Like, I've known this. I usually will go out and start it just so that, the battery doesn't drain. But, we got a pretty cold weather not too far back, and it just drained it. So battery was done, and I was like, you know what? I need to be driving this car. So I went and got a battery because it was completely dead, and I brought it back. And I always change the battery myself. I've done this for years and years and years. And this time when I changed the battery, I was like, cable's a little loose, but I think we're good, So guess we're not good, because cable's loose. That just doesn't sound good. I know what that sounds like. That sounds bad, but there it is. So, I was so lucky that literally in the same parking lot was a car shop. So I walked over there. I was just like, okay, I don't know what I'm supposed to do, but I know there's good people in this world. And I walked over there and I was just like, hey. So anyways, we were able to drive the car back, and then he fixed the cables and tightened them, and it was literally just that. And they didn't charge me for anything. It does need an oil change, so I will be bringing it back here to let them do my oil change. They're not my oil change people, but honestly at this point I can't talk about my original oil change people because they messed up my SUV. That's a whole different story. This Dollar Tree video is turning into car issues, but so yeah, they've got my business now, and we're driving. We're on the road. So let's go to the next Dollar Tree. All right, here's the second Dollar Tree. This is a good one. Okay, number 3, yellow bear thank you cards. That's these. So we get a pack of those. So the baby section doesn't really have anything. We've got these two. I was looking for the teddy bear and the rocking horse, but they don't have them. Ooh, look how cute these are. I'm definitely gonna get these.
Hey David, when is the next person coming in?
Alright, we're at the third and final Dollar Tree because this car. Okay. Didn't really, I don't even know what I found from that checklist from the second store. Was it just the teddy bear card? But I need to find, I did get yellow ribbon, by the way. I want to find the popcorn bags and then all of these like file folders that I wrote down. I think this Dollar Tree is going to be the one that has it. We'll still look for the jumbo cards and the tickets, but I know this Dollar Tree probably doesn't have it. So let's go see what they have. I'm having one of those days for sure. It's gonna be strictly business today. I'm just gonna get a basket, but so, ooh. Wait a second. Alright, so let's recap real quick because this car is a mess. I gotta go put gas, all kind of lights are on. It's a whole thing. I did find some more things. So, number 2, the sunflower thank you cards, which I think you guys saw that. So I found those. The mini Mod Podge and the pack of sponge brushes I also got. So those are there. And then the nylon folders. So I wrote pink and green or yellow. And I got pink, green, and clear. So we get to cross off 8 and 9. But the Jot expandables, I didn't get those. I did get the popcorn bags, so we get to cross that off. And I looked for the strawberry shortcake, didn't find it, so there's that. Do you want to like come with me to go try to fix this car? The tire pressure's on too. Actually, before I moved here, I took it to my discount tire. They've had this car since I've owned it back in like 2012. And I think I got new tires on it before I came. I don't even freaking know. But they were supposed to have checked like the error message. It's just like part of like the tire pressure system, I guess. And they forgot to do that. And I was like, we were leaving the next day. So that never got resolved. I need a van. I don't want to think about this crap. Yeah, so while we're here, I guess I'll tell you guys what happened to my SUV. I took it in to get an innocent little oil change. I bring it back home. Literally, I go from the oil change place to my garage, and there's pink liquid everywhere. And at this point, it's coming from like the front, both front tires. It's coolant. I'm like, why am I leaking coolant? You know, the thing is too, is like when you go to do an oil change, they do other stuff, and next time I'd be like, don't, just do the oil change, because my car was just fine. I bring it back and they were like, oh yeah, oops. And they had to fill it back up with coolant. Went home, guess what? Still leaking. Bring it back a third time. And they're like, oh, we don't know where it's coming from. We have to do a diagnostic. Of course, I didn't have time, so I left. Now I'm leaking coolant in the back. So it's traveling coolant. And I'm at a place now where I'm like, what did they do during a simple oil change that created this? And the question is, do I let them, you know, do I let them be the people that resolves the issue when they're the ones that created it in the first place? Obviously, if I were to go to them, like, that would be on them and they'd have to, like, you know, be out of pocket for it, but I don't even know if it's worth it. So, anyways, no one wants to hear about my car troubles. No one. No, not interesting. But that's gonna be the video. I'm gonna go put gas, fill the tires up. I'm thinking at this point that I'm gonna take my expedition to these guys who helped me. Like, you know what I mean? Like, they helped me. They didn't charge me for anything. They were honest. That's what I'm looking for, especially when, like, you're just a female. And I've been in this game for a long time. I'm not saying it happens everywhere, but I've been taking care of my cars since I was in my 20s, and I've been talked to like I'm stupid. I've been taken advantage of because I'm a woman. Like, it's a real thing. And thanks for coming along with me. Yeah, to Dollar Trees. I have all the hauls, or all the bags, so I will be doing the hauls tomorrow and Wednesday and probably Thursday, because I did get a lot. Even though I was doing a checklist video for you guys, I obviously was grabbing all the new stuff so that you guys can, like, see what's there. But yeah, that will be a separate video because my mind is a little fried right now. There's a guy. You single? No? Had to shoot my shot.